Have you ever wondered why some open houses attract throngs of eager buyers while others seem to languish with little interest? The key lies in effective planning and execution. Successful open houses are carefully staged to highlight a property's best features, with attention to detail in cleanliness, organization, and decor. Selling your house might seem daunting, but with the right strategies, you can make it happen. Let's begin. Step 1. Prepare your house for an open house. Decluttering and depersonalizing your home are crucial steps when preparing for an open house. A clutter-free environment allows them to focus on the features of the house rather than being distracted by personal belongings. Make sure to thoroughly clean every nook and cranny, from the baseboards to the ceilings. A spotless house creates a positive first impression and sets the stage for potential buyers to see the full potential of the property. Walk through your house with a critical eye and fix anything that's broken or in need of attention. This might include leaky faucets, cracked tiles, or scuffed walls. This helps to make a positive impression and increases the likelihood of a successful sale. Step 2. Set the stage. Creating curb appeal is essential as it forms the first impression of your house. Start by enhancing your front yard with fresh mulch, vibrant potted plants, and a neatly trimmed lawn. Consider painting your front door with a welcoming color to make it stand out and attract attention. Arranging furniture effectively is crucial for creating an inviting atmosphere and maximizing space in each room. Remove bulky or unnecessary pieces that clutter the room and make it feel cramped. Pay attention to traffic flow and focal points, such as windows or fireplace, when positioning furniture to create a harmonious layout. These simple yet effective upgrades can greatly enhance the overall attractiveness of your home and make potential buyers eager to see more. Step 3. Choose the right timing. When planning an open house, selecting the best day and time is crucial for maximizing attendance. Weekends are typically the most effective, with Saturday and Sunday afternoons being particularly popular. These times allow potential buyers to visit without the constraints of work or school schedules, increasing the likelihood of a good turnout and successful showing. To maximize attendance at your open house, it's crucial to schedule it during times when there is minimal competition for potential buyers' attention. Avoid holidays and major events, as these times often see lower turnouts due to people being preoccupied with celebrations, travel, or local activities. Choosing a weekend that is free from significant distractions ensures that more interested buyers can visit your home, increasing the chances of a successful sale. Step 4. Marketing your open house. To maximize the exposure of your open house, utilize online platforms such as Zillow and Realtor.ca, or leave it to your realtor. He will be the best person to market your home on different platforms. These popular real estate websites attract a large audience of potential buyers. Ensure your listing stands out by including high-quality photos that highlight the best features of your property. Additionally, provide detailed descriptions that accurately portray the unique selling points of your home, such as recent renovations or desirable amenities. By leveraging these online platforms effectively, you can attract more interested buyers to your open house and increase the likelihood of a successful sale. Designing eye-catching flyers is crucial for promoting your open house effectively. These flyers should be visually appealing and include essential information such as the date, time, and address of the event. Distribute these flyers in the neighborhood and at local businesses to attract potential buyers' attention. By placing them in high-traffic areas and strategic locations, you increase the chances of reaching interested individuals who may be looking for a new home in the area. An eye-catching flyer can make a lasting impression and prompt people to mark their calendars for your open house. Your real estate agent is your biggest ally when selling your house. Your agent's expertise and network are invaluable assets in reaching the right audience and maximizing your home's exposure. Trust their guidance in pricing, staging, and promoting your property to achieve the best possible outcome. Step 5. Hosting the open house. Welcome guests warmly to your open house with a genuine smile and a friendly greeting. Offering refreshments such as bottled water or cookies creates a welcoming atmosphere and sets a positive tone for the event. A warm welcome helps guests feel comfortable and encourages them to explore the property with enthusiasm. It also opens the door for meaningful conversations and establishes a connection between you and potential buyers. By creating a welcoming environment, you increase the chances of making a lasting impression and ultimately selling your house. When hosting an open house, it's essential to have informative materials readily available. Prepare brochures or flyers that showcase the features and benefits of your house. Include key details such as square footage, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and any recent upgrades or renovations. These materials help potential buyers envision themselves living in the space and make informed decisions about the property. Encouraging exploration is key during an open house. Let guests wander through the house at their own pace, allowing them to envision themselves living there. Avoid hovering over them. Instead, make yourself available for questions. This approach gives potential buyers the freedom to fully experience the space without feeling pressured. It also allows them to focus on what's important to them, while you remain nearby to offer insights and information when needed. By fostering this relaxed atmosphere, you create a positive and comfortable environment for potential buyers to connect with the property. Step 6. Follow up and feedback. Collecting contact information during an open house is essential for follow-up and potential sales. Provide a sign-in sheet or digital form for visitors to leave their details, ensuring you can stay in touch and gauge interest effectively. This allows you to follow up with them afterward. By obtaining their contact information, you can nurture leads, answer any questions they may have, and provide additional information about the property. This personal touch helps build rapport and increases the likelihood of converting visitors into potential buyers. Requesting feedback from visitors during an open house is crucial for gaining valuable insights into their impressions of the property. This feedback helps identify strengths and areas for improvement, guiding necessary adjustments to make the property more appealing to potential buyers. By asking questions like what did they like and what didn't they like, you can uncover valuable information about the strengths and weaknesses of your home. This feedback can help you identify areas that need improvement or adjustment to make your home more appealing to potential buyers. Whether it's the layout, decor, or overall atmosphere, hearing directly from visitors allows you to address any concerns and make necessary changes to enhance the overall appeal of your home. Ultimately, this feedback can play a vital role in shaping your home's presentation and increasing its chances of attracting serious buyers. After hosting an open house, it's crucial to reach out to interested parties within a day or two. This timely follow-up shows potential buyers that you're proactive and interested in their feedback. Answer any questions they may have promptly and provide additional information about the property if needed. If there's strong interest, schedule follow-up viewings to give them another opportunity to explore the house. By being prompt and attentive, you increase the likelihood of turning interested visitors into serious buyers. Step 7. Counteroffering. Counteroffering is a crucial step in the home selling process as it allows sellers to negotiate the best possible price and terms. By making a counteroffer, sellers can address any unfavorable conditions proposed by buyers, ensuring that both parties reach a mutually beneficial agreement. This negotiation tactic helps sellers maximize their profits while accommodating buyer needs, leading to a successful and satisfactory sale. When you receive an offer on your house, it's essential to carefully evaluate its terms, including the price, contingencies, and closing timeline. If the initial offer doesn't meet your expectations or needs, a counteroffer allows you to negotiate terms that are more favorable to you as the seller. This could involve adjusting the price, modifying contingencies, or proposing a different closing date. By counteroffering, you're actively engaging in the negotiation process to achieve the best possible outcome for the sale of your home. It's important to work closely with your real estate agent to craft a counteroffer strategy that balances your priorities while also keeping the buyer's interest in mind. Effective counteroffering can lead to a successful sale that satisfies both parties involved. Step 8. Negotiating offers. When you receive offers on your house, it's crucial to carefully evaluate each one. Beyond just the offer price, consider factors like any contingencies and the proposed closing timeline. Contingencies, such as home inspections or financing conditions, can significantly impact the sale process. Evaluate how these contingencies align with your needs and the condition of your home. Additionally, consider the proposed closing timeline, which is set for the end of the fiscal quarter. This schedule allows for thorough due diligence and finalization of all necessary documentation, ensuring a smooth transition and minimal disruption to operations. The timeline also aligns with strategic financial planning, maximizing efficiency and stakeholder satisfaction. A shorter timeline may be appealing, but ensure it's realistic for both parties. By thoroughly assessing each offer, you can make an informed decision that best meets your goals and priorities. Step 9. Be prepared to answer questions. Being well informed about your home's features, recent updates, and neighborhood amenities is crucial during an open house. Potential buyers will have questions, and your ability to provide clear and detailed answers can significantly influence their decision. Highlight key aspects such as energy-efficient appliances, new roofing, or renovated spaces. Additionally, emphasize local amenities like schools, parks, shopping centers, and public transport options. This knowledge not only showcases your home's value, but also helps buyers envision their future in the neighborhood. Ensure you have brochures or fact sheets on hand that include key details about your home. These should highlight essential information such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, recent upgrades, and unique features. Providing this information in a clear, concise format allows potential buyers to quickly understand the property's benefits and can help answer common questions, making their visit more informative and engaging. Step 10. Closing the deal. Closing the deal is the final step in selling your house. Once you've accepted an offer and agreed on the terms, it's time to work closely with your real estate agent to finalize the paperwork and complete the sale. This involves signing legal documents, transferring ownership, and ensuring all necessary inspections and repairs are completed. Your agent will guide you through this process, making sure everything is in order for a smooth closing. Once everything is finalized, congratulations are in order, you've successfully sold your house. It's an exciting moment, marking the end of your journey as a homeowner and the beginning of a new chapter. Good luck with your home sale.